when you are first starting your Amazon journey, you're going to be pretty crap at doing Amazon. And that's just the reality of anything that you learn. You know, you're kind of crappy to begin with, and then you get better and better the more you do something. And Amazon's no different. So when you're first starting out, my suggestion is not to choose complicated products with lots and lots of variations, or with batteries in them that will be much more difficult to get past. That's because you've already got enough to think about just getting your first product live, never mind going through all the additional things of lots of variations, or getting a product which has got a lithium-ion battery in it passed to sell on Amazon. Both add levels of complexity. Now, does that mean that you shouldn't do it at all? No, of course not. What it means is that you're going to expect to have much more levels of complexity than if you chose products that are not like that. Now, why do I give people who have just joined our Diamond group products like that? Well, because you in the Diamond group are working with a very, very experienced coach who has sold heaps of different products on Amazon. And so you'll get to leverage their skills, and they'll be able to give you all the necessary shortcuts and all the necessary information to help you sell those products on Amazon, because they do sell really, really well. Products with variations sell really well. Products with batteries in them sell really, really well. I sell some myself, but for your first product, without the aid of a very experienced coach like you get in Diamond, probably, I don't think, a great idea. Much better to stick with something that's going to be easier and just get yourself up there and get yourself listing, get your first product out of the way, so you can move on to the next one. So I hope that makes sense. So that's why I don't suggest more complex products for your first products. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.